Hello guys, so today I'm gonna cook a pizza. I will put some grated cheese and it is from Italy and it's called Grana Padano. This cheese, it tastes like feta cheese, some tomato pulp and some olive oil, of course from Kalamata. It's from our own olive trees in Kalamata. It's like straight from the source. It's very healthy. Because now the olive oils that you can find in the supermarkets, they are mixed with olive oils that are not good to lower the cost of the olive oil. Because if you want good olive oil that is really a virgin olive oil, a very good and healthy olive oil without any bad ingredients or that is not mixed with other olive oils that are not good, you have to pay a really good amount of money for that. I see a lot of people that they are not willing to pay a lot of money for olive oil. In the same way, the producers try to lower the price so they can have more sales. People here, like in France, they don't really know what is the taste that an olive oil needs to have. So I think that they cannot compare it. Of course, the olive oil that you can have from Greece, even if it's mixed, should be better than the olive oil that is produced here in France. But it doesn't mean that it's the best one. And in Greece, we say that the best olive oil is from Kalamata because it's the climate and the ground helps the olive trees to produce a very good olive oil. So it's specific to Kalamata and Mani also. So it's the region of Peloponnese, the south of Peloponnese, that has a very good olive oil. You should know that olive oil really changes the taste of the food. There are many times that I taste the food with another type of olive oil or with butter or without any olive oil, and the taste is so different. It's worldwide known that the quality of the food in Greece is very good. For example, in US, I've been to US and it was very difficult for me because the food is so bad. The hotel provided us breakfast and I said, let's try a fruit, and I think that I took an orange. The orange inside was so bizarre and the taste was so bad and not at all a natural taste. I think that for a good quality of food, you have to come in Europe in general, because also in Italy the food is very good, but mostly in Greece, and we eat a lot of salads, vegetables. It's a different way of eating than in other countries. In general, in Europe, I think that you can find a better quality of food than in the US. I have my equipment and my makeup in the description down below. I'm not a pro in the makeup, but if you like something that I wear, I have a very simple makeup in my everyday life. Let's go to the cooking part. So we take the parchment paper and we put it in the pan. We of course put olive oil and we spread it. Take the dough, as you can see, up, up. Now I put it here, like that. And now you have to spread it to fill the pan. So as you can see, the dough is ready. And I will put the ingredients and I will open the oven. Here you go and put this one. We will put it 200 degrees Celsius. So now I will put the sheep cheese and I use all of that. I take like that and with my hands I spread it like that. It is very similar to feta cheese, but feta here is more expensive than this cheese. So we prefer buying this cheese because it's almost the same taste, texture as the feta cheese, but it's less expensive. I will put the grated cheese like that. I put the, as you can see, I do everything with my hands. I think that it's a little bit a quick thing. I like to use my hands when cooking, even if it's not a very good idea. In Greece, I will put oregano on top, because Greek oregano is another story that I can tell you, like the olive oil, because the best oregano is from Sparti. So it's mostly the mountain, ci-dessous is called, that is in Sparti. It's 1 hour from Kalamata, and it's also in Peloponnese. Instead of oregano, I put on top pepper. So I will open another tomato pulp. This is not enough. I did the same recipe also yesterday, and it was so delicious and so good. I mostly use 1/2 of the tomato pulp, and it's 400 grams. As you can see, I use 200 grams. The cheese I showed to you, this one, I forgot to tell you, this one is 200 grams, and this one is 100 grams, but I used only this quantity. Of course, you can put less cheese, less tomato pulp. You would even choose not to put at all tomato pulp. I add some pepper, as I told you. I added a lot. Oh my god, what I did. Of course, you should put a lot less. Like I put a little spoon of pepper. Now let's see how it will be the result, because I put a lot. And of course we add olive oil on top and some salt, and it's ready. Ta-da-da. Up. And we will put it in the oven, and I leave it, I think, how many minutes? Maybe 30 minutes. And this is how it looks. I will show to you the result when it will be ready. So we open the oven, and we take it and we put it in the oven and wait. So now I have to clean all this mess. So now I have to do the dishes. So now everything is clean and we're waiting for the pizza to be ready. I'm going to do some editing now and I will catch up with you later. So as you can see, the pizza is ready, fresh from the oven. It smells so good. Here. Here. Wow. Really good. The pepper, it goes so well. You have to try it. I totally recommend it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and put your comments in the comment section to tell me if you tried the recipe, if you would like me to make another recipe video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!